Alright, magandang araw, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. This is Lakay Music Lovers 2.0 in my YouTube accounts. And pumunta ako rito upang maghatid ng mainit na pagbati kay Marian Official sa kanyang kaarawan. Wow, 40 years old. Keep up the good work, Sis Mayan. At alam kong very strong woman ka. At nararapat lang na pagkalooban ka ng ating mahal na Panginoong Diyos ng maraming kaarawan. Binabati kita, maligayang pagbati sa iyong kaarawan. Make your day enjoy with your family and your friends. Sana ipagkaloob pa sa iyo ang maraming kaarawan sa iyong buhay. At nandyan ang iyong mga kaibigan, mahal na pamilya upang gabayan ka sa lahat ng inyong gawain. Pagbutihin mo lang at maraming nagmamahal sa iyo. At ito si Kuya Lakay Music Lovers 2.0 ay laging support sa lahat ng iyong gawain. God bless you always and your loving family. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. God bless you. Bye-bye everyone.
Araw sa atin lahat. Unang-una gusto ko magpasalamat sa iyo, May Rivera, sa pag-imbita mo sa akin para makapagbigay sa iyo ng maiksing mensahe para sa iyong pinaka-espesyal na araw. Happy 48th birthday. Ayan. Pinapanalangin ko na maging masaya ka sa taon na to, buwan, araw at mga minuto na to. Na magsaulog sa iyong birthday. Naway bigyan ka pa ng maraming blessings. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Ulitin ko, maraming salamat ulit. God bless you all. Bye.
Hello everyone, good morning. Assalamualaikum Chosan, and this is Lilibet Mercado, 5/15/25, 3 Ram 8K. I just want to say happy birthday, Sis Marian Official. Thank you for being a friend in YT World. I wish you all the best, good luck, good life, and happiness may never depart in your life. We love you and keep doing what is right. I wish you more birthdays to come and happy birthday again. And happy Mother's Day to all of you there, especially those who are watching right now. Happy Mother's Day. May our Almighty Father bless you all the best. Good health, good life, and happiness may never depart to all mothers and especially to the birthday celebrant. We love you. Happy birthday.
Hello everyone, kamusta? Mega love shoutout sa nag-birthday ngayon at mega love shoutout sa lahat. Nandito pala ako ngayon para magbigay ng isang mensahe, ng kunting mensahe para sa kaarawan ni Madam May. Madam May, thank you so much. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. And may God bless you. May God shower you with much blessings. And pagkakataon ko na rin to para pasalamatan ka kahit matagal na tayong hindi nagkasama sa YT World, pero andyan ka pa rin, hindi mo ako nakalimutan at salamat, isa ako sa magbigay sa iyo ng mensahe para sa iyong kaarawan. Happy birthday, Madam May, and God bless. More power.
Hello, Sis May! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Sis May, maraming salamat talaga. At dahil sa 2 taon, hindi na ako nagwa-white tea. Hindi mo talaga ako iniwan. At lagi mo akong kinakamusta. Kaya masasabi ko talaga na isa kang tunay na kaibigan. Kahit na hindi ako nakaka-support sa'yo sa channel mo, pero andito ka pa rin. So, salamat talaga, Sis May. Napakabuti mong kaibigan. I love you. Happy birthday ulit.
Po, pagbati sa aming kaibigan sa YouTube, may official na isang maligayang kanwa sa'yo. Ito po ay aking lang hiling ng iyong walang bang karanamin. Dan man ang iyong nanais ng iyong puso na may palaw sa iyo. Maraming salamat sa pagiging kaibigan. Muli, bati ng maligayang kalaman. Happy birthday to you.
Hello, Sis May. Pasensya ka na medyo maingay dito sa aking pinalalagyan ngayon. Basta lang, makapag-rate ako sa iyo ng happy birthday! Happy birthday, Miss May! Ayan, more birthdays to come and happy debut to you. Sabi mo, debut mo ngayon eh. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Hello, Charity. Thank you so much for everything.
Hello guys, mega love shout out everyone. Ayan, mega love shout out sa premiere ni Sisi May, Mariana Facial. Ayan, mayroon lang akong babatiin, nabubulol ako, hindi ko alam masasabihin ko. Ayan, mega love shout out sa lahat po sa nanonood sa premiere ni Marian Official. Happy birthday sa iyo, Sisi. Ayan, wish ko sa iyo good health always happy, and more blessings to you, coming to you and also to your channel. Ayan, thank you very much for always supporting me. Ayan, nag-i-English ako pero bulol-bulol. Ito pala si Agnes Lifestyle, AJ22. Thank you very much for asking this video, Sisi. Ayan, pasensya ka na. Laging busy. Hindi ko nagagawa lagi. Ayan, maraming salamat sa iyo. Ayan, sa always na support mo. Love you, Sisi. Ayan, enjoy lang lagi. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Lagi, always. Love you. Miss you. Bye-bye.
Hello guys, mega love shoutout to everyone, James KB Vlog. Andito tayo ngayon sa premiere ng ating birthday celebrant na si Idol Marian Official. Ayan, gusto lang kitang batiin ng happy birthday. Wish you many happy returns of the day. Mega wish you with health, wealth, and prosperity in your life. Ayan, once again, happy birthday and enjoy your day. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Ayan. Siguro mga 10 take na to, madam. Ito, makapagsimula kasi yung aso ang ingay kanina, tapos tawa pa ako ng tawa. So, ayan na nga. So, I just want to be this wonderful person. Happy birthday. And sorry, madam, medyo na-late pa tong greetings ko sa'yo at medyo busy. Ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng time para gumawa ng video. But syempre, hindi pa naman siguro kuli ang lahat. And so, syempre, ang wish ko para sa'yo is more success sa iyong, kung ano-anong path man yung tinutungo mo sa buhay. Syempre, sa iyong family, and yung sa personal life mo, madam. And then, syempre, sa iyong YouTube career. Ayan. So, sana maging successful kang YouTuber. Alam ko namang napakasipag mo mula sa po nang makilala kita. So, lahat ng bagay na ginagawa mo, lagi mo binibigay yung best mo. So, ayun lang, madam. Sana magmasaya ka ngayong araw mo na to. And, bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang-habang buhay at maraming birthday pang ma-celebrate mo. Bye-bye, madam.
Hi, Sis May Rivera. Ayan, happy birthday, sis. Wow, kalain mo, nandito na naman ulit ako ngayon para i-greet kita sa birthday mo. So, nakalimutan ko inform kung ilang taon ka na. Pero tingin ko sa'yo, nasa 25 ka lang, sis. So, di yan? Sana all nasa 25 baby face ka na, sis. Tingnan, sis, eh. So, ayan, sis. Ingat ka lagi dyan sa Singapore. Yung trabaho mo, mag-ingat ka lagi. Yung health mo, alagaan mo. Yan. Wish ko lang sa'yo na sana meron magkakaroon ka na ng love life na magmamahal sa'yo ng totoo. So, wag mong madaliin ay darating lang yan si Cupido. Malay mo, magpapana sa'yo na ibang lahi ba, sis? Yan, darating yan sa'yo. Yan, yung love life, saka ingatan lagi yung sarili mo. Yan, focus lang sa dreams mo kung anong pa man yung mga dreams mo. More success pa sa YouTube channel mo, sis. Ayan, ako napabayaan ko na yung channel ko eh, kasi tinatamad na akong mag-upload ba. Gawa-gawa ng vlog kasi hindi ako nakakalabas ng bahay. Yun lang. So, thank you, sis, sa friendship natin na almost 3 years na tayong ganito. Hindi pa tayo nagkikita sa personal, pero soon, malay mo magkita tayo. So, continue lang yung friendship natin through social media. Ayan. Thank you and happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yan. Bye-bye, sis. Love you.
Hi guys, this is Agnes
Romanco.
and
Sophia Romanco.
Sophia Romancos, and this is
Lucas Romanco!
and you are
Lucas.
Lucas Romanco, and we are the Romancos, and we're here today to greet Sis Marian a happy birthday! Yay! So Lucas and Sophia will sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
Tita May.
Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Happy birthday, Sis May. We wish you all the best in life. We wish you all the best in life, good health, long life, and more success in
And
your...
God love you. Miss
Yes, God loves you. Just remember, see, the flowers are so beautiful like you. So, continue to do what you want in your life, and we wish that, and hope and pray that you will succeed. And we wish all the best for your family, financial blessings, and especially the love and the peace in the family, and more success also to your kids. We wish you all the best. Oh, come here na, say bye bye and thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you, Mama. I love you, Mama.
Happy Mother's Day, Sis May. Bye bye. Hi guys, this is Agnes the Romancos, and here is Sophie and Lucas, the Romancos siblings. What's your name again?
Sophia.
And you, what's your name?
Lucas.
And we're here today to greet Sis Marian a happy birthday and also happy Mother's Day. So guys, let's greet Tita May.
Happy birthday to you.
Louder.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, dear.
Tita May.
Happy birthday to you. Happy Mother's Day,
Tita May.
Tita May. Love you, miss you. God bless you.
What will you say, Lucas?
I don't know.
I don't know. Okay. Happy Mother's Day and happy birthday. Sis May, we love you, miss you. Hindi na ako magpakita. Baka sa next makahabol ang aking beauty. Thank you so much. This is the Romancos. Don't forget to like, subscribe.
I just wanna thank you for